I think that artists or architects or chefs, they make us think differently. They push our boundaries. We do things that no other factory in the world will make.
SCAD is collaborating with Nicolas Suro to create a tile collection composed of 6 designs by 6 alumni.
Ceramica Suro was founded by my father, Noé Suro, in the 50s with his brother. This is a great opportunity. I prefer to be affiliated to a university that I deeply admire. My kid went there and I saw how much he grew in the school.
So the pieces exhibited at the booth at Design Miami are by far the most ambitious pieces that I have ever done. And it was an attempt to sort of create these very loose forms that would change depending on sort of the material.
For SCAD at Miami, I was the one designing the overall structure that we're gonna use. The facade of the booth, not only with the material itself by using raw terracotta, but also the design itself, it's inspired by the patterns of the sombrero volteado, which is a very traditional Colombian hat.
I just needed to be with artists in my everyday work. For me, it's very important. It's like my biggest motivation.
Be who you are. I think that's one of the best things about SCAD is that everyone can be themselves.
Come see the booth.